That's my original two-door. Just put some water on it. On here, look, all the green gunges coming off. I'll get all that green off it. Give it a clean up. Get it running. Get it up for sale. I've not got time to do them all. That's a 68 two-door. Does run. It's not been on the road for 3 years. I think I drove it here 2.5 years ago, and it's, apart from being drove onto the gardening bike, it's never moved. The garage in there that I can't get in. There's my traveller, what I'm doing. That needs sorting, that needs restoring really. Van needs getting back on the road. I've got my 4-door to sort. So we'll give it a clean-ish, little wash, a little rub up, see how it comes up, and I'll get back to you. Well, it's had a bucket of water on this side and a quick sponge. It's come up half reasonable. Got some of the green off it where it's been stood. It's going to want some TLC. There'll be some welding underneath, bits and bobs. Not sure what, it's a while since it's been up in the air, this one. But that's that side of it. I believe steel wing, steel. Don't know, that front one's a steel on the passenger side. See if I can get round. It's a bit tight on the old calves. That's steel. Still see it's green on this side. I can't get to it. All down here, look. I'll get that out with his fingers. Get rid of it. I'm sure this back wing's steel as well. Oh dear. There's not a space for a bloke like me. So, yeah, 4 steel wings on it. The engine does run, it was driven here. That's the reg, if you can see that. Can't get the boot lid up because it's the garage door's in the way, and I do need the gearbox cover out of the boot. I'm going to have to move some vehicles and do that. So, that tyre's down, that compressor on it. Oh, what's up? And when I bought this thing, it had got them on the bonnet. Not got a clue why anybody had fastened them on the bonnet. Not a clue. But I never took them off. But there it is. Had a bit of a prang, just to, wings not out of shape, it's just a bit of a scratch on it. It might just be a bit there. That'll go again. Good enough wing. This one's actually got electronic ignition on it. It's got an AccuSpark on this. That's that side of it. I'll get back to you shortly. We'll show you the interior. Welcome back. As I said last week, something's got to go. And this Morris has sold. So we've dug it out. It was there. As you remember, it was there. The Focus was there. My work van, that is going to be my new work van, was at the front. Anyway, we changed things around today. We dug it out. There you go, with the AccuSpark ignition on. It's got an unleaded cylinder head on it. AccuSpark electronic ignition, but it's looking a bit grubby. So it has sold. We have took a deposit on it. Somebody's coming to collect it on Sunday. It's off to a new home after all these years that I've had this one. I've had it 7 or 8 years, this one. As I've said, it's got 4 metal wings on it. It's not bad underneath. A few patches. What's the normal patch in the boot under the lock? That one's welding. Other bits, but it looks a bit grubby. I'm going to give it a wash. Give it a wash off, get some of the green off it before he collects it. Get that bit sorted. Make it look okay for him. Interior's not bad. Seats want to clean. Do a new steering wheel in it. I think I've got one of them, and I think I might put it in the car for him to take. If I can find it. That's the big thing. If I can find it. But it's not bad. How many miles has it done? What's the mileage? 82,870, and I think that is actually original. I think that's the proper mileage for this car. It did come with some service history, but I'd need to find that. A couple of badges on the front. Only plastic RAC badge and Voice Minor 40th anniversary badge. This one got? Yeah, it's got Voice Minor. Owners Club badge in the front window. I think we might be going down to Derby next month, me and Mr. Machin. So it's complete. It'll make somebody one. Well, it'll go again. It's not bad, it runs alright. I've just not used it for 3 or 4 years. I've got my 4-door and I've got my van. You can just see the top of it over the wall. So I'm going to give it a wash. Just give it a quick wash off. Quick sponge, get it wet, see what it looks like, and I'll come back to you. Well, it's had a bucket of water over it. A bit of a sponge. Bit of a rinse, and now it's decided to rain on us. So it's there, it's leaving for all these years, but I can't keep them all. It does look alright. It will make another one, this one. Bit of TLC, and it'll come back to life. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Always like a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, stick them in the comment below. We'll get back to you best we can. And more importantly, stick us a subscribing. Much appreciated that. Till next time, we might have some good news for you next time. Might be the week after though. Bit of breaking news coming to All Things Morris. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. Yeah.
It's on now. Might as well put it on.
It's on and it's going. She's a going. That's my first one that I bought 7 years ago. On its way. Sold it to Mark. He'll have it on its way by the end of next week. Gone. On its way up the street. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see if we can find something else.